How to change wallpaper in laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. To change a wallpaper in Windows 10 or 11, simply right click on your desktop screen. From this menu, choose Personalize option. Then you will head towards the Personalization section of settings. Here you can see the background option. Locate that and click on it. Now you can personalize your background. You can click on this picture and then choose whether you want a set picture, solid color slideshow, or Windows Spotlight as your wallpaper. Suppose let me choose pictures and here are all the recent images. You can easily look for any of the images and see the preview of the page. So let's choose this. Here even you can browse the photos if you wish to choose your own photo, and if you wish to fit for your desktop image you can click on this drop down menu arrow and here you can choose streets, tile, center or span and see the preview as well. So let me choose fill and then choose one of the recent images from the picture. If you don't wish that you can even choose from the solid colors. Like in this way, you can choose any background color. If you are choosing the slideshow, you can add multiple images and make a slideshow. For now, let me choose picture and choose this image. And when you go back, here you can see that we have successfully changed the wallpaper of our desktop screen. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.